there are a lot of the vehicles to be restored everywhere. Power problems, noise, vibration, and emission problems, and high fuel consumption. Many people use the lubricant oil additive to improve the engine performance. Most of the additive, which are already selling into the market, use a very cheap chemical-based coating material or metallic and ceramic particles. This kind of ingredient are not so stable in the high temperature of the engine chamber. That's why all these additives are actually not effectiveness or very temporary small differences before and after application. Don't waste your money with the long additives. But our nano graphene is really wonder material with a lot of the advantages: fast thermal conductivity, anti-friction, anti-corrosion, world's strongest and thinnest, lightest material. The real advantage of the graphene-based GA is restoring the old engine immediately and make a new engine immediately, just half an hour drivings. Achieve the more quiet, powerful, comfortable drivings. Emission drop down dramatically. Achieve the fuel savings, maximum 10% without the engine disassembly. Likely the nano graphene technology is a simple and easy solution to improve the great engine performance.